looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, I think Route 8 did a number on it. All those.
Did you just get a lift kit put in this thing, or?
Yeah, recently, back at probably about this time last year.
All right, and then this side over here on the outside is where I plated it. You see it a little better.
Oh yeah, that's
coming up that way, and then the inside is very rotted. I'm gonna have to work on a lot better. It kept burning through. I got to work on plating behind that as well.
Yeah, I mean, there's not much up there where that old bracket used to be.
No, but what I'm thinking of doing is probably just 2 good pieces of angle iron across. You know, plate here, so I have something to weld to.
Right.
Piece of angle iron coming that way, and then another one coming this way for that as well.
Like
the only problem I'm gonna run into is the fuel tank also bolts to this. So
really?
I might have to pull the tank out and fabricate something to get it to hold up there, or at least just take that one strap off.
Yeah.
And get all that stuff cut out of there.
Are these the fuel lines here?
This is, yeah, this is fuel out and this is fuel return, I imagine, unless that's a vent line.
That's nasty. Huh.
Yeah, it's a damn salt to put on the road.
Yeah, definitely. Huh. But it's doable though, huh?
Yeah, just patience.
Yeah. Yeah, when you put some like cross members,
you can get something welded good, the next thing you know, you burn through an inch later, and your exhaust, I'm probably gonna cut this off for now just so I can get it just right here to clamp.
Yeah, well this is gone through here anyway. It kind of there was a hanger that was there too.
Yep. That's easily fixable. I'll reuse the tailpipe. I just have to just get it off for now, so I got more room to work with.
Nice.
And then some of this stuff I might just have to pull off the frame and just get it out of the way so I can get enough room in there.
Yeah, that canister fell off a couple of years ago.
Yep.
And guy made a bracket, put it back up.
The drive shaft doesn't, it looks horrible. And
yeah, it's not very nice.
Chunked up on the rear end.
Yeah, I'm surprised that drive shaft, if you take that. I'm surprised that drive shaft is still hanging in there, to be honest with you.
Jeeps love to twist them, I know that. They usually break off flush with the yoke.
Right. All right, we'll keep working on it. Appreciate it.
Keep you updated with progress. Actually, I'll probably just hear when it's done. But